Satu, dua, tiga.
Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Pandegede Valentino Putra, present C32. Now I will tell you about how to make mango juice. There are tools and material you prepare. Blender, mango, water, sugar, ice cube, glass and the last one, whipped cream and or milk. Next, we continue to make the mango juice. Step 1. Wash the mango thoroughly, peel the skin, and then chop the fresh and into small pieces. Step 2. Place the mango pieces in a blender and granulate sugar, water, or milk, and the ice cube. Step 3. Turn on the blender and blend all ingredients until well combined and smooth. Step 4. Pour the mango juice into a serving glass and enjoy your mango juice. That's all for me, thank you. Om Santi 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 Om.